In this guide, I will share with you how to transfer Worldcoin to Bitget. So if you're interested, let's get started. First, log in your account in Bitget with your all information. You can see here, guys, I log in with my account safely. This is the first step you need to do. When you log in your account, look for deposit section, this deposit, to extract your address, and then go to Worldcoin app, click more, and then click withdraw option. Click withdraw option. After click withdraw option, you will see choose the Worldcoin as a token. When you choose Worldcoin as a token, click on crypto app. From here, copy your address, guys, easily without any problem, and then write your amount you want to transfer from Worldcoin to Bitget, for example $50, and then click continue. It is easy steps, friends. I have this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video. Just click deposit in Bitget and click withdraw. Open your Worldcoin, more, withdraw, and then choose your Worldcoin app and this token app, crypto app, and then copy your address. From here, Worldcoin, choose the app, crypto app, and then copy your address and then choose amount. Thanks for watching this.